Hello everyone. Today we will discuss mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. First step of mechanism is abstraction of alpha hydrogen or formation of carb anion. OH minus hydroxide ion act as a base and abstract alpha hydrogen from acetaldehyde, which result in the formation of carb anion. Alpha hydrogens are acidic in nature because of minus I effect of carbonyl group and get resonance stabilized. This carbon anion, due to the resonance, changes into anol form and get stabilized. Oxygen being more electronegative than carbon, this result in shifting of pi electron density towards the more electronegative oxygen, which result in partial polarization of carbonyl group, and the carbonyl carbon act as an electrophilic center here, as it is positively charged. This carb anion being negatively charged behave as a nucleophile. Alpha carbon of this nucleophile form a bond with carbonyl carbon. This result in the formation of anol and the reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Step 3 of the mechanism is protonation of alkoxide ion. Oxygen of alkoxide ion is negatively charged, which forms bond with hydrogen, resulting in the formation of aldol. Aldol is a beta hydroxyaldehyde. If you look at this product, you can recognize two things. One is the bond between the carbonyl carbon of one molecule, which form bonds with alpha carbon of another molecule. So carbon-carbon bond is between the carbonyl carbon and the alpha carbon. And the other is the bond between carbonyl oxygen of one molecule and alpha hydrogen of another molecule. So this technique you can use as a shortcut to predict the formula of a product formed in aldol condensation reaction.